Hello everyone, welcome to St. Peter's School. Children, open your term book, page number 138, lesson number 4, Our Neighbors and Neighborhood. So before I start this chapter, I explain you what are the neighbors and our neighborhoods. Man is a social animal. He lives in a society, family or people who lives near our house. They are neighbors. Neighbors together we form a neighborhood. Neighbors play an important role in our social life. Understood, children? Good neighbors can make life pleasant. So, what we do? We should help our neighbors. We should polite with our neighbors and share things to people. And good neighborhood can provide useful services to its people. In our neighborhood, we can find houses, buildings, shops. Understood? So let us have a look some important places in our neighborhood, in our society. So children, come to the chapter. Take the correct picture. Where do buy vegetables? In vegetable markets. So what do you see in this picture? Take the right vegetable market. Where we buy vegetables? Vegetable markets or police station in a market. So take the first picture right. Where do we keep our money safely? In bank or school? In banks. So take the in banks. Take the first picture right. Okay. We live with our family in our house. Many other families live near our houses. They are our neighbors. We live with our family in our house. Yes, many other families also near our house. They are neighbors. The area and places around our house make up our neighborhood. Children in a neighborhood play together. Yes, we need many services or help in our daily life. We get these services from help from different places in our neighborhood. We have learned about some of them in first standard. Yes, so let us learn about a few more. First, come to the next page, page number 139, supermarket and departmental store. A supermarket or a departmental store is a very big shop. It sells various items in a one big place. Shopping mall. A shopping mall is a big place where we find many stores selling different products. We get all things we need from our daily use from a shopping mall. Shopping mall is a big place where we find many different products. All things we need our daily use from a shopping mall. Next, post office. A post office is a place from where we get stamps, postcards, envelopes, etc. We write letters to our friends and relatives who live away from us. We post this letter in the post box. The postman distributes letter, parcel, etc. Who distributes letter and parcel? The postman. Next, police station. Police station is a building which is the office of police officer and other staff members. The police protect us from the thieves and robbers. They maintain law and order. We have traffic police too. Yes, you see traffic police. What they do? They control the traffic. Next, clinics and hospitals. For any time illness, we need to the service for a doctor. When we have minor illness like fever, cough and cold, we get treated by doctor at their clinics. But when we need special care, we admitted to the hospitals. Here some nurses and attendants help doctor to make care for us. Come to the next page. Page number 140. An ambulance is a van that takes patient to a hospital in a case of emergency. We buy medicines from a medical stores. Next, fire station. Fire station is the place where we fire engines are kept. Fire engines are big red van with the bells, ladder and water hoses. If there is a fire, fire engines are called to put out the fire. Bank. Bank is a place where we keep our money and valuables safely. We deposit our money with the bank and withdraw when we need it. ATM is a place from where we can withdraw our money at any time. Anytime, anywhere. ATM is a place where we can withdraw the money. Restaurants and hotels. Restaurants serve different types of food. We go there on holidays or special days like birthday. Hotel also provides room for stay. Come to the next page. 141. Garden or park. A garden or a park is the place where we go to play, walk or relax. Airport. It is a place from which aircraft operate. It has runways for the movement of aircraft and maintenance facilities for aircraft. It has hangars, which are closed building structures to hold an aircraft. What you learn in this chapter, children? Our neighbors, our neighborhoods, some important places, our neighborhood. So I take quick reason in this chapter. Families lives near our house. They are our neighbors. The area and place around our house make our neighborhood. We need many services in our daily life. We can buy many different items from a supermarket or shopping mall. For any time illness, where we go to the hospital or clinic. Ambulance is a take patient to the hospital in case of emergency. Fire engine help us to put out the fire. We keep our money in the bank. Restaurants serve different types of food items. Hotel provides a room to for stay. Garden and parks are open place where we play and feel relax. Post office is a place from where we get stamp, postcards and envelopes, etc. Police station is a building. The police officers and other staff members stay in police station. Airport is a place from where we aircraft and operate. So we have completed this chapter here. Understood, children? Thank you.